All right, today for our last assignment this week, we're going to circle the value or color the value of the digit that's underlined. So I'm going to make a little chart over here so that you remember we have tens on one side and ones on this side. So if you see this one, you're going to need to add a 0, and the ones doesn't have a 0. So hopefully that will make it a little bit easier. So if I look at this 4 right here and it's underlined, it's going to be in the tens place. So I'm going to color in 40 because that's how much it's worth. But on 84, that 4 is underlined and that's in the ones place. So there's no 0, it's just 4. Okay, let's look at 63. The 3 is underlined and that's in the ones spot. So there's no 0, it's just worth 3. Remember, that's the little 3, the ones cubes. 17, the 7 is underlined, so that's just worth 7. On 75, what do you think? Is it in the ones or the tens place? Yeah, it's in the ones place. So we're going to do 5. All right, 36. Boys and girls, is the 3 in the ones or the tens place? It's in the tens place. So it's worth 30 because that would mean that there's 3 tens sticks. So we would count 10, 20, 30. Okay, look at 98. Is the 9 in the ones or the tens place? The tens place, good. So we would fill in 90. Okay, 49. Is that in the ones or the tens place? The ones place, good. So we would color in 9. 51. Is the 5 in the ones or the tens place? Good, it's in the tens place. And 28. Is the 2 in the tens or the ones place? Good, it's in the tens place. So we would color in 20. Very good. Awesome job, boys and girls. Okay, on the back, you're just practicing your -7 facts. And then when you're finished, turn it into your teacher. Excellent job this week, boys and girls. Thank you.